Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for RBN. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now the first key level we notice is our monthly swing high here, which is obvious to spot as we can see the candle closes and reversing drastically to the downside. Now, we can also go ahead and plot our monthly swing low, as is the lowest point price is reached, as we can tell from the multiple reactions to the same key level. Now, hopping over to the weekly. We can go ahead and fine tune this monthly level just to our weekly level here. And what do we notice here? Clear key levels here on the weekly chart as we see price come up, hit, reverse, price come up, hit, reverse again, making this a clear key level. We also notice long wicks over here reacting around the same key level. Now, we can also go ahead and plot a key level right here as we see multiple reactions acting as resistance, and we see a bit of support here. So, zooming out of this chart, these are all the key levels plotted on the monthly and weekly chart for RBN. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.